project boards. I removed a lot of my client post-it notes for confidentiality reasons, but you kind of get the idea. So I have one for new clients. I have projects to schedule, scheduled projects, design projects, sponsored posts, events, and these are all my projects that I have for my business. Then I also have stuff for website marketing. What else do I have? Videos, projects, social, and tech. And all of those are written, each individual task is written on a post-it note. And I keep all my post-it notes right here. It's right by the board, so I created my zone, and it's right here, very accessible. And I just write down whatever task I have as soon as I think about it, stick it up here, and then when I work in my time block and it's time to work on, let's say, marketing materials, I just pull off those post-its to get to work on those. I also have tasks divided up between people that work for me, and so they can easily see what jobs they have to do as well.